Today I'm going to show you two volcanoes. First, we have to put this in. One scoop of this, and then we put it in. Then we stir it. And then we put paint in. So we open this. And then we put a squirt of paint in. And then we stir it again. And it goes yellow. And then we put this in. And now we will put this in. And that. This is the first volcano I showed you. Now I'm going to show the second one. Now we already got the Mentos. Now we have to do it on there. Now I'm going to show you another one. Now I'm going to do the Mentos in. Now I'm going to do an underwater volcano. First we put oil in. Now I've done the first thing. Now we put water in. And now we put a bit of colouring in. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we have to put this in. the underwater volcano with water, oil, vinegar, and that thing I dropped in. Loads of bubbles in and going up, up. It's like the sea. That big, the sea, it's like big sea and big bubbles in the sea. And now goodbye. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and click subscribe.